Campervan life in India looks amazing, but no one tells you about this heat, parking problems, safety issues, and one mistake that can ruin your entire trip. I have been building and using campervans in India for many years, and honestly, the van life here is very different from what you see on YouTube. In countries like US and Canada, the campervan life is easy, but in India, we have challenges no one talks about. From finding safe parking to dealing with extreme weather to managing water, electricity, and even the public attention. In this video, I'll share the real truths, things I have learned hard way so that you don't have to make the same mistake. This video is not to show the problems, in fact, show the challenges so that you are well prepared to do the camper van camping in beautiful India. This is Vinay, EarthCamper, Bangalore. Thanks to all the subscribers and viewers. New videos every Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday at 6:30 p.m. Don't miss out. If you are into camper vans, van life, smart conversion, this channel is for you. I'll be sharing real, practical camper van knowledge you can actually use. So make a note, subscribe and join the journey. Also, I did love to hear from you. Drop your comments, suggestion to help grow this channel. From my experience of many years of camper van life in India, so these are the 10 challenges. I'll go through each of them and also give the solutions. Please comment down below and let me know what are your thoughts. This will help me and also everybody to camp better in India. The first big problem no one tells you about campervan life in India is parking. In countries like US and Europe, you have proper campervan parks, but in India that system simply does not exist. You cannot just park anywhere. Highways feel unsafe, city areas are too crowded, and many places don't allow overnight parking. And even if you find a spot, people gather, stare and ask questions. So privacy becomes a big issue. So how do you actually solve this? Solution 1. Build a network. Build a network. Talk to local people, farmers and small resorts, homestays, and most of them will allow parking if you ask politely. Solution number 2. Use smart locations. Choose the smart locations like petrol pumps, temple parking areas or known camping spots are usually safer and more accepted. Solution number 3. Plan before you reach. Solution 3. Never wait till the last minute. Always plan your parking before sunset. Check the maps, reviews and have 2-3 backup spots ready. Call them up, get the phone number on the Google map, call them 2 or 3 backup spots and then make the parking lot available before it gets dark. So if you don't plan parking properly, your entire van life experience can become stressful. Pro tip: parking is not just about space, it's about safety, comfort and peace of mind. The second problem no one tells you about the camper van life in India is the heat. In India, your van is basically a metal box under the sun. It turns into an oven. Even if it is just 30 to 35 degrees outside, the inside van can easily go up to 45 degrees. The fans do not help much and running AC all the time is not practical. So how do you actually deal with this? Solution number 1. Park smart. Shade is everything. The solution 1 is always park smart, find shade under trees and building or natural cover. Even a small shade can reduce the temperature a lot. Second solution, ventilation and airflow. Solution 2, create the proper airflow. Use the van vents, exhaust fan that are available in market which can be mounted on roof. Open the opposite side windows. The cross ventilation is the key, not just one fan. Solution number 3, insulation and reflective protection. This is one of the most important thing when you build your van or a camper van. The solution 3 is build your camper van for heat. Use good insulation, thermal window covers and sun reflectors. This makes a huge difference. If you ignore heat management, your van life will become uncomfortable very quickly. The pro tip is camper van comfort in India is not about luxury, it is about controlling the heat. The third problem no one tells you about the camper van life in India is the toilets. In India, you don't have dedicated camper van facilities, so finding clean, usable toilet becomes daily challenge. Public toilets are not always clean and in remote places you may not find anything at all. and at night time it becomes even more difficult and uncomfortable. So how do you actually manage this? Solution number 1, portable toilet setup. Use a portable toilet, it gives you independence and solve the emergency situations, especially in the night time. Solution number 2, plan spots smartly. Plan your stops. Use petrol pumps, restaurant, malls, hotels during the day. Always take advantage when you find a good quality facility. So solution number 3, choose overnight spots carefully. Solution 3, the park where the facilities are available. Campsites, homestays and resorts make a big difference in comfort. If you don't plan properly, your trip can quickly become stressful. Pro tip is, in India, van life freedom does not mean no planning. It means smart planning for basic needs. If you plan the layout properly, a nice bathroom can be designed inside the camper van. So this is very crucial to solve this problem. The next big problem is the weather changes. Sunshine in the morning, storm by the evening. In India, weather doesn't warn you, it hits you. One of the biggest hidden challenge of campervan life in India is how fast the weather can change. You might start your day in clear skies, but within few hours you are dealing with a heavy rain, strong winds and extreme heat. In coastal area, sudden rains can cause floods. In mountains, weather shifts within minutes. Fog, rain, even landslides. In plains, the heat can spike so fast your van turns into an oven. The big problem, you are living inside a van, not a house, so every weather change directly affects you. So what are the 3 possible solutions? First, always check weather forecast before and during travel. Use apps and track hourly changes, not just daily predictions. In India, even in 3 hours, the forecast matters. Solution number 2. Build your van for flexibility. Have a ventilation for heat, insulation for cold, and waterproofing for rain. Your van should handle all 3 seasons, not just one. Solution number 3. Plan for backup location. Always know nearby safe parking spots like hotels, fuel station and covered areas. If weather turns bad, you should have a quick escape option. In India, weather is not just a condition, it's a challenge. Plan smart, stay flexible, you will enjoy van life without surprises. The 5th problem is, not all roads are built for a camper van. Your dream road trip can turn into a nightmare just because of one road. In India, not all roads are built for camper vans. What looks like a normal route on the map can suddenly turn into a narrow village road and broken patches or steep ghat section. You will face tight turns, low bridges, bad road condition and sometimes even no road at all. For bigger vans like Force Traveler, it becomes risky. You can get stuck, scrape the vehicle or struggle to turn around. And the biggest problem, maps do not always show the ground reality. So what is the solution for this? Solution number 1. First, always double check the routes before entering. Use the satellite view, street view, even the YouTube travel videos to understand the road conditions. Also, be a part of some groups on WhatsApp or Facebook and ask about the route condition. Second one, talk to the locals. Even before entering the narrow roads or the village, ask the nearby people or a shop owner if the road is suitable for van. The third solution is choose the safe route over the short routes. Avoid shortcuts on maps. Stick to the highways and main road even if it takes a bit longer. This is so true. In India, the right road matters more than the shortest road. The 6th problem, no power, no water, your camper van turns into a box. One of the toughest parts of the camper van life in India is managing power and water. Unlike houses, you don't have unlimited supply. Your battery can drain faster than expected, especially with the fans, lights, and fridge and the charging devices running. And water, it finishes quickly for cooking, cleaning, and bathing. In India, finding a reliable refill points isn't always easy. Some places don't have clean water access, and power hookups are rare outside campsites. The real problem, if you don't manage properly, your trips gets interrupted and uncomfortable. So what is the solution? First, track your usage daily. Know how much battery and water you are consuming. Install the basic monitors so there are no surprises. Solution number 2, build efficient systems. Use solar panels, energy efficient appliances, and low flow water setups with maximum usage. The third solution is plan the refill and recharge points. Mark fuel station and campsites and hotels where you can refill water and charge batteries. So the pro tip is campervan life in India. The power and water are not convenience; they are survival. Cooking in a campervan sounds fun until you actually do it. In reality, cooking in campervan in India is not always convenient. You don't have a full kitchen, space is tight, storage is limited, and everything moves while driving. Find a safe place to cook can also be a challenge. In cities, you cannot just park and cook anywhere. In remote areas, wind, dust, and rain can make cooking difficult outside. Then there is lot of effort cutting, cleaning, and washing utensils, all inside a small space. The real problem, cooking becomes time consuming and sometimes stressful instead of enjoyable. So, what is the solution? First, keep your cooking simple. Choose quick recipes, one pot meal, ready to cook option that saves you time and effort. Make the list of recipes and keep it handy and get all the ingredients that is required before reaching the camping spot. Second one, prepare in advance. Cut vegetables, carry ready mix, organize ingredients before your trip is reduced to work on road. So the third solution, divide the work of cooking among the family members. That will makes the cooking job more fun and easier. So the pro tip is in campervan life, smart cooking beats perfect cooking. Internet and network connectivity can be inconsistent. Full signal in 1 minute and zero network in the next. In India, the internet and mobile network connectivity can be highly unpredictable, especially when you are traveling in a campervan. In cities, you may get strong signals, 4G or 5G, but the moment you move to the highways, village, mountains, and forests, the signal can drop completely. This affects everything: navigation, payment, work calls, upload content, even emergency communication. And the biggest issue, you cannot always depend on one network provider. Coverage varies by region. The real problem is not just slow internet, it is sudden disconnection when you need it the most. So what is the solution? First thing, use multiple SIM card. Carry at least 2 or 3 different network providers so you can switch based on location. Second solution, download offline data. Save maps offline, download important documents, and keep entertainment ready without internet. Third one, plan connectivity zones. Before stopping for work or long stays, check the network availability and choose the location with good signal. So the pro tip is in campervan life, internet is not everywhere. So plan it like the internet is not there. Maintenance and repair can be challenging. Campervan breakdown in middle of nowhere, what do you do? In India, maintaining and repairing a campervan is not as simple as a regular car. Most mechanics are familiar with standard vehicles, but not with the custom camper van setup like electrical systems, water systems, and modular furniture. So, when something goes wrong, you may struggle to find the right person to fix it. Spare parts availability can also be an issue, especially when you are far away from cities. And the biggest problem, breakdowns doesn't happen at convenient places. They happen on highways, remote areas, and during trips that can turn journey into a stressful situation. So, what are the solutions? First thing, design for simplicity. Use standard, easily available components so any local mechanic can help if needed. The second one, learn the basics DIY fixes. This is very important. You need to understand the electrical systems, plumbing, essential repair so that you are not fully dependent on others, especially when replacing the fuses and minor things. Third one, build a support network. Stay connected with other camper owners, communities, and trusted mechanics across the location. So the pro tip is, in camper van life, preparation is the best medicine for this problem. So the last one, the 10th point is, camper van life is not always Instagram perfect. In India, Instagram shows sunsets, not the struggles behind them. When you look at the camper van life on social media, it looks perfect. Beautiful locations, cozy setups, and stress-free travel. But the reality in India is very different. There could be some messy days, unexpected breakdowns, bad weather, parking issues, and constant adjustment. You do not always wake up to the perfect view. Sometimes you are dealing with heat, dust, noise, and just exhaustion. And the biggest problem, unrealistic expectation. If you expect perfection, you will get frustrated quickly. The camper van life is not a vacation, it's a lifestyle. So, what are the solution for this point? First one, set up the realistic expectation. Understand that challenges are part of the journey, not the failure of experience. Second one, focus on experience, not on perfection. Enjoy small moments and good meal, a quiet night, and a simple view. Third one, build a routine and system. When things are organized, from parking to cooking, life becomes smoother and less stressful. So, the pro tip is, camper van life isn't perfect, but that's exactly what makes it real. Please leave a comment. What are your thoughts on all these points and solutions? Please hit the hype button if you see under the video. Helps the channel to grow. Thank you. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. More camper van content coming on this channel. Thank you for watching.